Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About 2x, we have 3x minus x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. Negative x, negative number 3, we can do another factorization. Now, we have x plus 3, we can do another factorization. Next, we simplify x minus 1 on numerator and denominator. And now I will put number 1 cone here. So we have the final answer. And that is about 1/4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.